Everyone dislikes ads, but did you know that you might get compensated for watching them? Most people ignore them, yet there are methods to earn money by watching short adverts. Although you may not earn enough to replace your job, watching advertisements might be a rewarding side venture. Instead of mindlessly scrolling around social media or watching TV shows, take a look at our list of the top 5 best websites that will pay you to view advertisements. But before we begin, I would like to ask you to watch this video carefully because I have seen in the comments section that some of you have asked me to come up with websites that offer multiple payment methods instead of PayPal. So in this video, all the websites that I have mentioned offer that feature. So without further ado, let's get started on our list for today. Starting with number 5, StarClicks. Do you want to earn free money for each time you make a click? If that's the case, this website is for you. With 4.8 ratings on Trustpilot from above 27,000 people, StarClicks compensates its members for clicking on each advertisement that the website generates. With the Gold and Platinum subscriptions, it gives its users a stable job where they can earn up to $5 to $7 per day. And to top it all off, there is no payout restriction on payments made under these subscriptions. There are numerous alternatives for methods of payment, including that of Western Union, PayPal, Bitcoin, and even bank transfers. The layout of the website is incredibly user-friendly, and it makes use of the best marketing techniques. The fact that StarClicks users do not need to have any exceptional skills is one of the major giveaways for making money with it. Number 4, TI Clicks. The next in line is a TI Clicks, which is essentially a PTC website that pays you for the quantity of clicks you make. The time it takes to view an ad is only 10 to 15 seconds, which gives you a simple way to make money at home. The website is far more profitable for its members. Users may earn up to 4 cents per click, and payments are made out instantaneously. The minimum payout is $3, which may be transacted via Payer, Airtime, Bitcoin, Skrill, and Faucet Pay accounts. TI Clicks provides you with a perfect opportunity to earn money according to your very own flexible hours. As you can see, people are earning more than $1,000 from this website every single day, and below, if I scroll down, you can see the list of people who are earning from this website on a daily basis. Number 3, Freeword. Freeword is a fantastic website if you want to work online part-time and earn extra money. For completing easy tasks like watching an advertisement, you can earn redeemable coins, bitcoins, and even gift cards from Amazon, iTunes, and other retailers. This website shares promo codes, fast payments, and several other rewards. Current available payment methods include Bitcoin, PayPal Cash, and support users from all over the world, with $5 being the minimum withdrawal amount. Apart from that, the layout of Freeword is so easy to adjust to make it stand out among all other websites. Number 2, TimeBucks. If you are in search of a GPT site, you may have already heard of TimeBucks. Not only does TimeBucks pay you for watching the advertisements generated by it, but also has its very own referral program running through which you can earn your own commission. There is no approval process for the sign-up, which makes it much more comfortable for the users willing to earn right this moment. There are regular competitions held on a daily basis which can earn you bonuses too. Currently, there are over 6 payment methods at TimeBucks that are available almost all over the world, through which the payment is made weekly, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, PayPal, Payer, Airtime, Bank Transfer, Virtual Visa, and Skrill. TimeBucks offers no scam and happens to be a legit GPT site offering a great variety of opportunities to earn money while sitting at home. Number 1, TI Buxer. The last website for our video today is TI Buxer, one of the finest PC2 websites to have been launched. With hundreds of innovative features, TI Buxer provides an ultimate platform to earn money through watching advertisements with a single click. The payment methods include Payer, Airtime, and Faucet Pay. Providing a steady program policy, TI Buxer gives a perfect opportunity to work online and earn a stable income too. Moreover, you can earn up to 4 cents for each click. Also, you can earn up to $10 for every survey you take on this website. But in the payment proof section, you can see this person has made around $1,700 from this website just by watching ads. Similar to that below, a lot of people from different countries are making a lot of money on a daily basis. So if you are interested in earning some extra bucks just by watching ads in your free time, then you should definitely check out this website. Although each website I mentioned in this video has a different monetization plan, generally speaking, these websites give you a cut of the money they make from showing you the adverts of their partners. Advertisers are prepared to pay more to ensure that video ads are viewed because they deliver significantly better outcomes than picture ads or banner ads. This creates a win-win situation for both users and websites. So you can sign up for these websites and start earning money right away, and if you have any questions about them, leave a comment down below. And that being said, I will see you in the next one.